to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to administer medication for your bird. Specifically, we'll be talking about how to give medication orally to your bird and how to properly handle them. Administering medication is going to be an extremely important skill that you should obtain to take care of your bird. And the reason being is because you want to make sure that you are prepared for scenarios where, God forbid, your bird is sick or your bird sustains some kind of injury. You want to be prepared to give them the care that they need at home from the medications that the vet provides you. So here we're going to demonstrate how to administer medication orally with this medication, which was given to us by the vet for our Quaker parrot here, who is in need of medication. So what we have here is some pain medication. It's called Rumacam, and it's an oral suspension which needs to first off be shaken well, not stirred. And we need to give 0.06 milliliters by mouth every 12 hours. So this little guy got his dose this morning, and now we are going to give him his evening dose. Alright, so now that we explained what the oral suspension is, and after we've shaken it, we need to get the syringe ready to give the medication orally. So this is the syringe, an example of what will be given to you from the vet. And usually they like giving you like multiple so that, just in case one is defective or if you just need some in handy. So basically what we're gonna do, we were already read on the medication that we need 0.06 milliliters of the medication. So what you wanna do is first make sure that you basically put your syringe into the bottle here, and then you just pull up the medication or the liquid into the syringe by pulling this part up. Now you want to make sure that you grab more than what you need. It just makes it easier to measure the exact amount that you want, because all you'll do is just push it back into the vial and go to the amount that you need. So that's as an example. There's no liquid in here, but just to show you for demonstrative purposes how we would collect the medication. At this point, now you have the medication ready. You want to give it a little flick so that any air bubbles are gone, and then you would start to handle the bird. Now, if you don't know how to handle a bird, you feel free to check out our video on our channel, which goes into detail about that. So what I would do is essentially get a tea towel or a towel where you would grab the bird, wrap him almost like a burrito, and make sure you have control of the head so that he is, not only like restrained from hurting himself, but also hurting you. Although he is quite a small bird, he won't inflict too much damage. So once you have his head under control and you have him wrapped up in a burrito, you'll just slightly open up his mouth with the syringe, which I will demonstrate as we're doing it with the actual bird. But you would just open his beak a little bit, make sure you kind of go to the back and ensure that the medication goes down the throat. Then you just push it as such. Now once you've done that, you don't want to stress the bird too much, so you want to put him immediately back inside his enclosure, let him rest and kind of recover from what's just happened to him. Now we need to make sure that we clean our syringe, so what we would do is just pull the entire contraption out, give it a rinse in water, and then lay out a paper towel and put the syringe down and let it dry. And now let's demonstrate. we finished giving him his evening dose and now he can go to sleep. Although he does seem a little hungry, so he's actually munching on his food there. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you won't have to do this, but it's good to know how to administer medication in the event that this ever happens or if you need to. So